What's up, guys? It's your girl Nikki here, back to you with another Makeup Mondays with Nikki. Today, since it's the beginning of November, the first Monday of November, I decided to do November's Birthstone, which is my birth month, and that's kind of like a gold type of topaz is the name. As you can see in the picture right there, that's a topaz color, and the closest color I had is what I use today for my eyes. But this is the result of it right here, of what I did today, and I hope you guys like it. And without further ado, let's get right down to the video.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you really enjoyed my makeup tutorial today for Topaz, which is November's birthstone today. I don't know if you guys saw it real good, but here's the result. I think it's very pretty, and I enjoyed it, and I actually used this exact outfit, this red shirt and the red and the gold yellow looking color. I actually used that for my son's second birthday on yesterday, because his birthday was Friday on the 30th, and he had a first birthday party on his birthday at his Nana's house, which is his grandmother's house. And yesterday is when I gave him my birthday party at my house. And this is what I exactly wore at his birthday party yesterday. And I decided to recreate it for you guys today. But like I said, if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, if you're new. And don't forget to hit that notification bell right there, so you will be notified every time I put an upload every Monday or any other day of the week. Also, if you think that you want to see more type of makeup tutorial videos for me to do, just comment down below and let me know what ideas you want me to try to do. And again, if some of you have any do's and don'ts that I did or that I did not do right, anything, if you can give me any tips, since I'm a beginning makeup artist for the face and everything, then please comment down below and tell me what can I improve on, or what could I do better that might be better for me, for my face and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next Monday for another makeup tutorial. Peace, guys.